Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Questers Hub. In this video, we will explore IPython Magic Commands in Jupyter Notebook. Magic Commands are special built-in commands that provide additional functionality beyond the normal Python commands. So the Magic Commands usually start with % or $%. Okay, let's explore the Magic Command %copy. So %copy is an IPython magic command that executes the operating system's copy command. Okay, it is used to create a duplicate of a file from one location to another. So this is basically used to copy a file from one location to another. So let's see that in action. So we have the command %copy and we are specifying the name of the file that we want to copy. So this file already exists. So let me show that. So here it is test copy.py. Okay. So we have a folder test. Inside this, we have the script copy.py. So let's open this. Okay. And we have the text, which is a print statement, hello from copy.py. Okay. So now we are writing this command to copy the file from test copy.py to the current location. Okay. So let's run this command. So you get the output, one file copied. Now let's go to the location. So now we have the file copy which is created in the current location. So let's open this. So this is the same file with the same text, with the same print statement, hello from copy.py. Okay. So this file has been copied from the location test to the current location magic commands. Okay. So we can use the command %copy to copy files from one location to another. Next, let's explore the magic command %ddir. So %ddir is an IPython magic command that displays the directories or the folders in the current location. Okay, so in the current location, whatever folders we have will be displayed here. So let's run this command. So this will only display the folders and not the files. Okay, so let's run this command. So in the current location, magic commands, we have all these folders. Okay, so these are all the hidden folders. And we have only one folder, which is test, which we just now saw. So let's go through the location. So here we only have one folder test and rest all are the files. Okay, so the folder is displayed here. So we can use the command %ddir to display the folders in the current location. Next, let's explore the magic command %doctestmode. So %doctestmode is an IPython magic command which enables or disables the doctest friendly behavior. Okay. So this command is used to enable or disable the doctest mode. Okay. So let's run this command %doctestmode. So this enables the doctest mode. So doctest mode is on. So now if you run this command again, it will toggle back to the doctest mode off. Okay. So we can use this command to enable the doctest mode or to disable it. So if you run it again, it gets enabled. Okay. So this command can be used to enable or disable the doctest mode. Next, let's explore the magic command %echo. So %echo is an IPython magic command used to display text on the screen. Okay, so this is similar to the shell command echo. Okay, so it will work similar to the echo command which displays the text. So let's run the command %echo and we are giving the text hello world. So let's run it. So if you run this, you get the output hello world. So this prints the message that we have passed in the command %echo. Okay, so this is how we can use the command %echo to display the text on the notebook. Next, let's explore the magic command %killbgscripts. So %killbgscript is an IPython magic command used to stop all background scripts which were started using %% script, or all the background scripts which are running in the background. Okay. So if we have started the background scripts or jobs which are running using the command %% script, we can stop this. Okay. To stop this, we can run the command, the magic command %killbgscripts. So let's run this. So all background processes were killed. So we can use this command %killbgscripts to stop all the background scripts which were running in the background. Okay. Next, let's explore the magic command %ldir. So %ldir is an IPython magic command which is similar to the dir command. So this lists the folders or directories in the current location. Okay, so this is also similar to the ddir command which we saw. So let's run this command %ldir. Okay, so this lists all the directories in the current location, which is currently only the test directory. Okay, rest all are the hidden files which are present. So we can use the command %ldir to display all the directories or folders in the current location. Next, let's explore the magic command %less. So %less is an IPython magic command used to display the contents of a file, okay, using a pager. So this is similar to the Unix or Linux less command. Okay, so this will display the contents of the file. So we already have a file demo.py. So let's see that. So we have a file here, demo.py. Let me open it. And this is the content. We only have a print statement, print hello. So if you run the command %less demo.py, it will display the contents of the file demo.py. Okay, so let's run this. This displays the content of the file demo.py, which is print hello statement. Okay. So this is how you can use the magic command %less to display the contents of a file. Okay. I have also prepared a reference guide with the commands that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.